The final piece to the Lamborghini Urus right here.
Oh.
Don't get it sideways now.
Perfect. The top row is dang sauce jerky right here, so go ahead and try one of those.
In the last video, guys, we gave away some super epic Milwaukee power tools, but in today's video, we got something even more epic. We got some nice tool sets. We got Milwaukee sets, DeWalt sets, and even gear wrench. Look at that, 239 pieces. It's about everything you need to take apart your mom's car or your buddy's car, whoever's car. We want to inspire you guys once again, and not only are some of you guys going to receive this in your order that are placed on goonsquad.com for the next 24 hours, but also you're getting entered into this 2023 Shelby Super Snake along with $30,000 cash, guys. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Check out goonsquad.com, copy some gear, check out all the official rules, and you might just be the lucky winner of that setup right there. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to continue working on the Lamborghini Urus, and we're getting super close to finishing that sucker up. All we really got left is just to paint these parts right here, and then we can finish up putting that Urus together, and then we can move on to the next build, which is going to be this G-Wagon right here. And we already found a bunch of parts, so we're super excited about that. That's just an insane vehicle right there, so can't wait to get onto that. But as of right now, this is probably going to be an all-day job. We're probably going to go late into the night, but you know what? Paint booth is right there, 100 feet away.
That is the best thing ever right there,
It makes painting just so much more exciting, and it's just making so much, everything so much easier. But we do got to do a little bit of body work, a bunch of wet sanding, and then we'll be able to put those suckers in the paint booth, and we're going to paint this all at once. So I say we go ahead and get right into it. So we are not wasting any time, guys. We already knocked out all the body work and we primed everything in, because that's what you want to do when you do a little bit of body filler. You throw an extra layer pretty much just to smooth everything out 100%. This is where it was the worst. That's where the bullet hole entered. And look at that, dude. That looks beautiful right there. All it needs is just to be wet sanded. That's exactly what we're going to do along with all these panels right here that needed a primer. So basically, take it right outside, right there, dude. It's just awesome. Once again, to have a paint booth, you can take stuff outside and bring it back in. This rear bumper, somebody did like a crappy job on it as well. I think, what did they do? Like spray, or they painted right over original paint without sanding it. So that's like one thing you never want to do. As for this front bumper, that's where it was splitting. We had to throw a little bit of primer. So what we're gonna do right now, not waste any more time. Once again, let's take this stuff outside, wet sand everything, all the primered areas, double check everything, bring it in here and throw our paint and clear coat. Alrighty, guys, so the parts are finally all sanded. I mean, that took us a long time. We're just completely all covered in water, dust, excessive paint. Is that what you call it?
Yeah, everything. Just trying to get it sanded. I mean, but it's all sanded, ready to go back in the paint.
Yes, sir. And it's already like, what, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock? What time is it?
It is.
I don't even look at the time.
4:40.
4:40. Perfect, dude.
If we can knock that out in like an hour, dude, we'll be good.
Dude, that'd be awesome. It'd probably take about 2 hours.
Yeah.
So we'll probably be out of here probably 7:30, 8 o'clock, which is not too bad. But to keep us going, we got, I don't know, you brought this morning. This just came out of nowhere. It's like a
dehydrator.
Yeah.
So
a jerky oven.
Yep, I bought this off of Amazon. I was like, dude, I want to make some jerky. The top row is dang sauce jerky right here. So go ahead and try one of those. Be careful, let me pull it out.
see if they're ready. Just grab one of those pieces.
This looks like a crispy one, dude.
The bottom ones are habanero.
Dang.
Pretty good.
Look at Max. He knew what time it was. This morning when I came in, it smelled like a high school cafeteria.
Just beef.
It
Just
smelled
cooking.
good. And it's been smelling like that all day. Let me try habanero right quick. That's fire, actually, dude. Coming soon to goonsquad.com.
That'd be a lot of dehydrators.
Dude, that one is really good.
The dang sauce one came out really good.
Dang! What kind of beef is this?
This is beef, eye of the round beef, whatever.
That's gas. This is gonna give us energy to finish up this Urus paint job.
Slick yet again, man. Look at that.
Dude, that looks absolutely amazing. But of course, we did run into a fair share of little issues here and there.
Yeah.
But the results are flawless.
Dude, flawless. We had to do a few little like touch-ups. And the main thing was this door right here. When the sun's going down, it beams clean through this door, and it was beaming right on this hood in the center over here, heating it up, which was causing the paint to dry way too fast. And it was drying in the air when I was missing it, so it was like really rough. But luckily we sanded all that out, got it all smooth, wet sanded while we were in the paint booth. But the results are in, dude, and it looks amazing. I mean, the hood turned out amazing right there. The trunk lid right here turned out super slick and flawless. The bumper where we had to repair it, I mean, this bumper looked awful from the previous repair, but now it looks practically brand new, looks super good. The fender that we did some body work on, look at the body lines, man. That looks OEM right there, man.
It's gonna look even better in the sunlight. I was looking at the Urus last night, and in the sun, dude, all like the body lines pop out even more, man.
Better. And here, just with these LED lights, you can literally see every little imperfection. That's why they put these lights in here, because you're painting, you know. And outside, it looks even better. The bumper, the repair, everything looks super good. It's nice and dry. That fender, I mean, we're pretty much done with I think all the white, unless we got to paint like a fuel cap or door handle or something like that. Nothing too crazy. But the next thing that we're gonna move on to is some black paint, because we got to paint the top of this trunk black. That way it matches up to the roof. The wing needs to go black. A few little bottom sections on the doors need to go black. That's easy stuff. That's something that we can quickly spray in, and that's probably what we're gonna move on to next. We want to finish all the paint job. This whole paint job up, honestly, 100%.
But this was the most difficult stuff, the larger panels.
Yes.
That other stuff, dude, is gonna be a breeze,
These
man.
little 2-second sprays right there. So let's just go ahead and actually bring everything outside, probably place it in the sun, and then we're gonna bring all the other little things in here and paint it all up.
Dude, I'm telling you, we're getting good at this paint stuff,
you did pretty good, man, painting that.
You did pretty good on the one wheel, man.
Dude, I'm telling you, you may have to just get good at that and just go around in cars and painting the whole entire car with that thing, dude.
Dude, that's like a whole sport right there, one wheel painting, dude.
No, I'm telling you, get good at that, man. You just do one wheel paint jobs. It'll take you like 5 minutes to paint a whole car.
Dude, imagine 2 of those, 2 paint guns, 2 lines, all that stuff.
Dude.
Get a paint job done in no time.
Paint a car, we would have been done a long time ago with the whole car.
Might as well have robots at that point. But dude, this black paint went down super smooth, along with the clear coat. Dang, that was all me right there, right?
Yeah, that was pretty good. I mean, you got to practice. Since we got a paint booth, might as well go ahead and give it a shot. You know, if you mess up, we're here at the Goon Squad shop and repair everything. And that right there was the metallic, same color black as on the roof. The rest of the stuff that we're planning on painting, we just decided not to paint it this color because this has a bunch of metallics in it. And we kind of want it to match the fender flares, which the fender flares, I think they're a solid black. So that's probably what we're gonna go get. We're gonna go get solid black, that way all that stuff matches properly. But other than that, dude, it is looking sharp, man.
Yeah,
just
look.
a few more things.
Yep, and the thing that I think we should have done was probably wore some paint suits, because dude, my leg hairs are like hard and stiff.
Dude, I know, they're like, it's like solid, but I thought it was just gonna be a quick paint job, but everything's getting dragged down, so it's all probably just went down on our legs. And look at our filters, man. We're gonna have to order some filters here soon,
Hey,
man.
that's the beauty of having your own paint booth. You literally just can take care of it as you go, you know what I mean?
And throw another car here, which that ain't gonna be that hard, man. Super simple stuff right here. But anyways, we're gonna let this stuff dry, and we're gonna go to the store and pick up some more black paint for the other stuff, and then we're probably gonna get more supplies and just get this paint job over with.
So we leave for just 5 minutes and Pops done destroyed everything. Let us know what happened, Pops.
You know, so very quick. The rain started and blowing everywhere. And I kind of started, you know, fast. Each one, you know.
Literally, it just started pouring out of nowhere. We didn't. It wasn't like me. Pops even looked at the forecast, and it wasn't calling for rain. Luckily, this is the only thing that fell. And what's the damage, Pops? Where did it get damaged here?
It's right here.
Oh, on the part that's getting covered up, and also right here. That part is going to be probably hidden.
Yeah, maybe.
That's
I can see
crazy. Then it fell off of the cop car, right?
Yeah, and, on top.
Wow, that was my idea. I'll take that there, but luckily no damage, and we need to keep it that way because this paint. But honestly, if there was damage,
We got a paint booth,
pop
man.
it right into there.
Yeah, I mean, nothing hit over here, so that was awesome. You know, and I'm not worried about that little stuff, so.
Yeah, you can't even see that little damage right there. So I think, honestly, we'll be good to go. It's a beautiful fender, by the way.
Perfect.
Let's keep on. Are we going to paint some more stuff right now?
I think so. I think we're gonna probably pull that part, those two parts out, and then we're gonna sand a few more little things and get some more little things painted.
Finish up everything 1000%.
Yes, sir.
Could water get into this thing?
A little bit, not too bad. Need to put a car cover on.
I think
this
these
thing.
things are waterproof, man.
They're everything proof, roll proof.
This is crazy. We just got a wrecked G-Wagon just sitting in our parking lot right here.
Just in the middle, can't even move it, man.
What a blessing, man.
Can't even find suspension for it, man.
I think we can, though. I think actually we found some random stuff here and there. I'm super excited to get back onto this, but also I'm super excited about this sucker, man. Look how it's starting to look good. And I think we changed our mind about painting that stuff. What do you say, dude?
I say we just wait, man. We need to. I'd like to just put this front end together
Let's
just
do
to
it.
see what it looks like.
See what it looks like, and also just get some parts out of the way because, you know, they're at really high risk of getting damaged. Dang! That looks sick. The matchup is there. Let's keep on going, dude.
Let's do it.
Oh my goodness, dude. You gotta come over here and see it all together, man.
Dude, this front end looks sharp, man.
Dang, it looks so much better all one color. That white is actually growing on me, dude. It's literally, I thought it was just gonna be so basic, but
Nah, dude, on a
looking at it-
Lambo, that's why they paint most Lambos white, because look how good that looks.
dang.
With the black.
Wow, look at the lines.
Dude, the lines, especially when the sun's going down, dude, you can see
What?
it. That's why the white just looks so good, because you can literally see all the sharp edges, everything. It just looks so much more aggressive, you know? If you would have painted this like black or a darker color, you would not see the lines like that.
No way, dude. That looks super clean. The fenders are on, the hood, the front bumper, all put together, man.
It's coming together,
That looks
man.
good, dude. I think literally one more video and we should have this thing completed, honestly,
yeah, for
man.
sure. I mean, now it's just a big process of piecing this thing together, doing the last final paint touch-ups, you know, like on those little trim things and the door handles and stuff like that. And this thing will be done. I was also thinking about, what if we painted the door handles black? Wouldn't that look kind of good?
That might look pretty good. It'll match like the mirrors. I think
Yeah.
that actually flow pretty good.
I think we do maybe have a black one that we ordered because we needed one. We'll see what it looks like.
Test it out and
Yeah.
everything. But dude, for the most part, this thing is starting to look super just sick, dude.
It's almost done.
But that's gonna be all, guys. Stay tuned for the next video and drop your comments and thoughts down below what you want to see us do with this hook right here. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.